Hi guys, it's spring and the perfect time to make asparagus. I'll show you a light and lemony pasta dish that you can make in less than 20 minutes. The ingredients are right below the video. Put water on to boil for the pasta. Once the water comes to a full boil, add 2 teaspoons of salt and fettuccine. You can substitute another type of pasta like linguine, spaghetti, or angel hair. Stir and cook until tender. This is 1 bunch of asparagus, a pound or 450 grams. I'll wash it, take one and snap off the end. Line it up with the rest and trim off the ends. Cut the asparagus into 3 pieces. That's all you have to do for the asparagus. Grate the zest of 2 lemons. Then squeeze them to get a little more than 1/4 cup of juice. We'll need a few garlic cloves. Grate them as well. Heat up a pan and add about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the asparagus stems first and let them cook for 2 minutes because they're thicker than the tips. Then add the tips, a little salt, and cook just for a minute. Asparagus cooks really fast and you don't want to overcook them. Make some space in the middle and add 2 pinches of red chili flakes and the grated garlic. Lower the heat so the garlic doesn't burn. Mix this really well. Add lemon zest, lemon juice, and a few tablespoons of butter. Scoop the cooked pasta from the pot and put it directly into the pan. No need to drain separately. Add some of the pasta water. If you have it, tear up some fresh basil leaves. Adjust the salt if you need to. Grated Parmesan or Pecorino Romano is a wonderful addition to this light but satisfying dish. Taste and adjust the salt. When serving, grate more Parmesan on top and squeeze fresh lemon juice all over to brighten the dish. I'll give it a taste. The pasta has absorbed the lemon juice, the garlic flavor is there, but not overwhelming, and it's got a little heat from the red chili flakes. The asparagus is still green, crisp tender, and not overcooked. You've got a delicious and easy meal in under 20 minutes. I do hope you try this out and let me know what you think. See you next time. Thanks for watching.